Question 19. We are given a cuboid drawn on a 3D grid and it tells us P is a vertex on the cuboid, so it's the corner up here. And we have some point T, which doesn't seem to be on our diagram, divides the line OP in a ratio 1 to 2. Find the coordinates of T. Okay, well let's take a look first and foremost at what is this line OP. So I'm going to draw this line in as best I can. Okay, and you have to kind of imagine that this line is actually coming out towards us in the Z direction as well as just going along the X and the Y. And we have some point T somewhere along here, call it T, and it divides the length of that line basically in a ratio 1 to 2. So you go one part along here. In other words, the line is broken into two parts. One side is double the other. Now, if this line is broken up in a ratio 1 to 2, in order to get to T, I just need to break up the distance along all the in all the directions in a ratio 1 to 2. So to get to T, I just have to go 1 part of 3 along the whole line. So I'd need to go 1/3 the distance along this line, okay, along this line that I've drawn in. Well, that means in order to get to T, I'm just going to have to follow the same rule. So I need to go 1/3 the distance along the x-axis, 1/3 the distance along the y-axis, and 1/3 the distance along the z-axis. So if that is 6, right, and that's the origin, so that's 0, that's a distance of 6, we need to do 6 divided by 3 to get the distance along the x, which is 2. What about the y? We need to do 4 divided by 3, again, which is 4/3. So a bit unusual, but still a fair answer. And then we need to go 1/3 the distance along here. So we're going to do 3 divided by 3 to get 1. So we get 2, we get 4/3, and 1. So if we go 1/3 the distance along every direction, that will get us to the point T.